Hi, today I will go to Spread Eagle's Paws. So I'm at Krai in Shillong here, and I was working here. I'm working on it, on making of this building as a helper. The machine over there, you will see they are making. But today I'm just taking off and we'll go to see the place. This is a defense land prohibited. The trespassers will be prosecuted. Jokabalala mana. I found no way here, so there is no proper way. Maybe there is a whole like way, so I'll go like that. Here it is maybe. So I have entered. Oh, nesty down. Nesty down here. How am I going down? There is the falls, but there is no way. Oh, whatever, I have to go there. So I'm looking at a pretty sight over there. Here are so many jungle flowers, beautiful, beautiful flowers are here. And there could be the falls. Spread Eagle's Falls at Cry. But I'm finding no route here. My gosh, there is no way to get down. There is the fall right here. What to do? Mosquitoes and mosquitoes. So many mosquitoes. So many mosquitoes. Oh shit. Oh. Huh. Why come here? How I have come here like this? Oh, without any road, how will I go there? Whatever, I have to go. I'm an explorer. That's why. Whatever obstacle comes in front of me, I have to cross it. I have to cross it. What place is it here? Oh, nasty, nasty. Oh. See how? Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god. Oh shit. Finally, I have reached the place. Here it is called Spread Eagle's Paws. Yeah. Here, this must only. Look at the frog over here. Look at the frog. Oh shit. This waterfall is also called as Study Waterfalls. And there is a guy cutting grass maybe. There is a guy over here. Yeah. You can do some nicely. So I'm thinking I will jump from here. Oh shit. That is the falls. And here there is some cave. So I will see what is there inside the cave. Okay, let me bring on my light. Oh shit. Hi, how's it? I'm just sweating. With me. Hi people. So today I'm again thinking after going from here I'll go to Hydra Park and somewhere nearby. Yeah, again to Wat Lake and some other tourist center was there, but I'm forgetting what the name was. Oh, whatever. I'm getting out. I don't know. See how it is. This is the deepest waterfalls. Yeah, no, not deepest. This is the widest one. Widest waterfall. So there is a boy. He just cut some grass. It's a picnic spot. And down there maybe people to picnic, I think. I'll go up to here. We fall down somehow. Then I'll directly go into the deep. It is the widest waterfalls in India. Hi! Hi! Come with me, enjoy! I'll go up directly after it. Look at them, McConnell. I'll go that side. See how kids are bathing there. Some kids are bathing over there, down there. There are 4 kids. Maybe they have come to bath. It might be so slippery. It might be so slippery. There are pine trees over there. See, deer, and there are the kids. And here, this is the lake. No, sorry. These are waterfalls. Spread Eagles Waterfalls. down there. The kids are watching there. They are swimming. Oh. Some Muslim kids are bathing here. There are no Kasi kids. All of them are Muslim ones. And there, look at the beautiful pine trees. They're pretty beautiful trees. Oh, it's a little deep. The water of this river is not that much clear, means that much clean. So what to do? I'm jumping down. Oh shit. I'm trying to put that side, but it's very difficult, I think. People will like, oh shit. I can. It's pretty steep. Look at them, they are bathing. So I'm ending the video because I can't go downside over here because it's pretty steep from this side also and that side also. That's why I'll no more put here. And I'm ending the video. Bye bye. Thank you. These are the pine seeds. These are pine trees. Pine trees. Pine trees are all around here. So many pine trees. Here also, over there, in a distance. Here also, there also. Built in better medicine. People pooped here. Full of Mendang. So this is the hole which I got into. See the place. Here. Oh shit. So bye bye. Bye bye. Look at the